Hey there, deep divers. You know how it is the holidays are coming, and my to-do list is already longer than Santa's naughty or nice list.
Mm-hmm. But what if, instead of stressing over all the holiday expenses,
Yeah.
we could actually make some serious cash this season?
hmm
We're going to dive into the world of Christmas side hustles,
Okay.
where millennials are turning holiday cheer into some serious cash.
Wow.
And we're not talking about chump change here.
No.
Some folks are raking in over $3,000 a month.
It's amazing, isn't it, how these side hustles, they just tap into the unique demands of the holiday season.
Right.
It's a time where everybody is looking for convenience, a touch of magic, and just a little help to make the holidays special.
Exactly. And that's where our first side hustle superstar comes in, Adam Chap, the Christmas Light King.
Yeah.
This guy's story is like something out of a holiday movie. He saw people struggling with tangled lights, precariously perched up on ladders, and figured, hey, there's a need here.
Yeah.
And boy, was he right. Absolutely. What I think is interesting about Adam's approach is that he didn't just offer to hang lights. He created a premium experience.
Yeah.
We're talking custom designs, high-quality materials, and even tree decorating services.
Wow.
And guess what? People are willing to pay top dollar for it.
I bet.
He charges up to $1,200 for a basic installation and a whopping $2,500 for his premium package.
Wow. Initially, Adam himself was hesitant about the pricing.
Really?
He thought, who's going to pay that much for Christmas lights?
Yeah.
But then he realized something crucial.
What's that?
You are not your customer.
Oh.
His target audience, they weren't looking for the cheapest option.
No.
They wanted a hassle-free holiday, a picture-perfect display, and they were happy to pay for it.
It's a great lesson in understanding your market and the value that you bring.
Right.
Adam tapped into a key holiday pain point and time inconvenience
For sure.
and positioned himself as the solution.
His success is a testament to that, but let's say that heights aren't your thing, and you'd rather stay firmly on the ground. No worries. We've got a whole smorgasbord of other festive side hustles just waiting to be unwrapped.
I love it. It's like a holiday buffet.
Right.
But instead of cookies and eggnog, we're serving up money-making ideas.
Exactly. And just like a buffet, there's something for everyone.
Absolutely.
From classic skills to some surprisingly tech-savvy options. There's a holiday hustle out there for every elf and every skill set.
Yeah, and the best part is many of these can be launched with minimal investment and can easily bring in an extra $3,000 or more throughout the holiday season.
Okay, I am officially intrigued. Let's dive into this holiday hustle buffet and see what delicious opportunities await.
Okay, so let's start with a classic gift wrapping services.
Okay.
You would not believe how many people dread this holiday chore.
Oh, totally.
They'd rather face a fruitcake than a roll of wrapping paper.
I am one of those people. My wrapping skills are more lump of coal than perfectly presented gift.
Well, you're not alone.
Okay, good.
And that's where the opportunity lies. People are willing to pay a premium for beautifully wrapped gifts.
Really?
We're talking $15 to $25 per present.
Wow.
And during the holidays, those orders pile up faster than dirty dishes after a Christmas feast.
So basically, if you can wield a pair of scissors and some tape without creating a tangled mess, you're in business.
Exactly. And it's not just about the basic wrap, get creative, offer themed wrapping, personalized tags, or even gift basket assembly. You can set yourself apart and command even higher prices.
So gift wrapping, check what's next on our holiday hustle menu.
Let's talk about those with a sweet tooth baking holiday treats. Nothing says happy holidays like a batch of homemade cookies or festive pie. And during the holidays, people are willing to pay a premium for that homemade goodness.
Yeah, because let's face it, store-bought cookies just don't have that same warmth and charm, do they? Plus, who has time to bake when you're juggling holiday shopping and parties and decorating?
Exactly. That's why this hustle is perfect for those who love to bake. Whip up some classic gingerbread cookies, decadent fudge, or even festive cake pops. Package them beautifully and you're ready to rake in those holiday dollars.
Nice one. And I bet you could easily sell these at local markets, holiday fairs, or even through social media.
Absolutely. And don't forget about corporate orders. Businesses are always looking for festive treats for their employees or clients. A few well-placed calls could land you some seriously sweet deals.
Okay, baking another winner. But what about those of us who are more tech-savvy than kitchen-savvy?
Well, for those who prefer to work from the comfort of their couch, Remote customer service is a hot commodity during the holidays. Think about it. Online shopping explodes during the season, which means companies need extra help with inquiries, order tracking, and all those inevitable holiday shipping hiccups.
So basically, you're playing virtual Santa's helper, spreading holiday cheer, and resolving those shopping dilemmas.
Precisely. And the beauty of this hustle is the flexibility. You can often set your own hours work from anywhere with a decent internet connection and earn a solid $15 to $20 per hour.
And you can do it all while wearing your favorite festive pajamas. It's a win-win.
Absolutely. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find these gigs, and you can even specialize in certain industries or products to further boost your earning potential.
Okay, so we've covered gift wrapping, baking, and remote customer service. What other hidden gems are tucked away in this holiday hustle buffet?
Well, if you're an animal lover, pet sitting and dog walking are in high demand during the holiday season. With so many people traveling, furry friends need someone to care for them. And let's face it, pets are way better company than those annoying relatives who always show up uninvited.
Amen to that. But seriously, pet sitting can be a lucrative hustle, especially if you offer overnight stays or additional services like playtime or basic training.
Exactly. And you can easily charge $50 or more per day per pet if you have a knack for connecting with animals and are comfortable with overnight stays. This could be your holiday cash cow.
Speaking of cows, let's milk this holiday hustle buffet for all it's worth. What else do we have?
Well, for the crafty folks out there, Etsy is a goldmine during the holidays. People are looking for unique, handmade gifts that stand out from the mass-produced stuff. Whether you create ornaments, personalized gifts, or festive home decor, Etsy provides a platform to reach millions of shoppers.
So basically, if you can knit, crochet, paint, or craft your way out of a paper bag, you have a potential Etsy empire waiting to be built.
That's the spirit. The key is to create high-quality, visually appealing products and optimize your Etsy shop for maximum visibility. Don't underestimate the power of great product photography and engaging descriptions.
All right, Etsy, another check on the holiday hustle list, but what about something a little less traditional, a little more tech forward?
Well, for those who are social media savvy, TikTok is a surprising but incredibly effective platform for promoting holiday services.
Really? TikTok? I thought it was just for dance challenges and funny cat videos.
That's just the tip of the iceberg. Remember Adam Chap, our Christmas light king?
So-
He leveraged TikTok to showcase his work, build a following, and generate leads. And he's not alone. People are using TikTok to promote everything from gift wrapping services to baking businesses to pet sitting digs.
So the key is to create short, engaging videos that highlight your skills, showcase your personality, and offer a clear call to action.
Exactly. Think about it. You can create a 30-second video demonstrating your gift wrapping skills, showcasing your delicious holiday treats, or even featuring adorable pets enjoying your pet sitting services. It's a quick and easy way to reach a massive audience.
Wow, TikTok. Who knew this holiday hustle buffet just keeps getting more interesting? But let's not forget about a simple way to earn back some of that holiday spending cashback apps.
Absolutely. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta are like secret weapons for savvy shoppers.
Oh, yeah.
They offer cashback on purchases you're already making, which can really add up during the holidays.
It's like getting a little bonus just for doing your regular shopping. And who doesn't love a little extra cash, especially during the season of giving?
Exactly. It's a simple way to stretch your budget and make your money go a little further. Plus, many of these apps offer sign-up bonuses and referral rewards so you can earn even more.
Okay, cashback apps. Check. But I have to ask, what about this Christmas tree setup hustle I've seen popping up on TikTok? Is that really a thing?
Oh, it's definitely a thing. People are making serious banking, helping others set up and decorate their Christmas trees. Remember, convenience is king during the holidays. Not everyone has the time, energy, or frankly the patience to wrestle with tangled lights and perfectly placed ornaments.
And some people might not be physically able to do it themselves?
Exactly. That's why this hustle is booming. Plus, it doesn't require a ton of specialized skills. If you're organized, have an eye for design, and don't mind a little bit of holiday glitter, you could be the next Christmas tree setup superstar.
Wow, we've covered a lot of ground here, from gift wrapping to baking to pet sitting to TikTok. Marketing this holiday hustle buffet is truly overflowing with possibilities. But before we move on, I want to circle back to something you said earlier about Adam Chap and his pricing strategy. He realized that his ideal customers weren't looking for the cheapest option. They're looking for a premium experience, a hassle-free holiday, and a picture-perfect result, and they were willing to pay for it.
Yeah, exactly. It's a great reminder that value perception is key.
Right.
If you position yourself as an expert, Highlight the convenience and unique benefits you offer and target the right audience, you can command higher prices and build a successful business.
So it's not just about the service itself, it's about the whole package, the experience, the peace of mind you're providing.
Yeah.
It's almost like you're selling a feeling rather than just a service.
Absolutely. And during the holidays, that feeling of joy, convenience, and magic is priceless.
Okay, so we've explored this amazing buffet of holiday side hustles, everything from gift wrapping to baking to pet sitting to TikTok marketing. But what's the common thread here? What can our listeners take away from all these inspiring stories?
Well, I think the key takeaway is that the holidays present a unique opportunity to leverage existing skills or explore new passions in a way that can generate income and alleviate stress. It's about recognizing those needs and finding creative ways to meet them.
It's about turning holiday stress into holiday success.
Mm.
And the best part is there's no one-size-fits-all approach, whether you're a tech-savvy millennial, a baking enthusiast, or a pet-loving entrepreneur. There's a side hustle out there for everyone.
Exactly. It's about finding a hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. It's about being resourceful and capitalizing on those unique moments where demand exceeds supply.
And remember, even if you don't have a specific skill or passion in mind, there are still plenty of ways to cash in on the holiday spirit. Those cashback apps, for example, can be a sneaky way to earn back some of your holiday spending. It's like getting a little bonus just for doing your regular shopping.
Yeah, the small rewards can definitely add up, especially during a season known for its spending sprees. It's all about being a savvy consumer and taking advantage of those opportunities to maximize your budget.
So we've covered a lot of ground here, from Christmas light installations to pet sitting to the magic of cashback apps. But before we wrap up, I want to leave our listeners with a challenge.
I love a good challenge. What do you have in mind?
Think about your own skills and passions. What unique services could you offer during the holiday season? Maybe you have a knack for organization and could offer gift wrapping or personal shopping services, or perhaps you're a tech whiz who could help people set up their smart home devices or troubleshoot those inevitable holiday tech glitches.
Yeah, the possibilities are truly endless. It's about taking a fresh look at the holiday season and identifying those areas where you can provide value and convenience. Remember Adam Chap? He didn't invent hanging Christmas lights. He simply recognized a need and found a creative way to meet it.
And he turned it into a booming business.
Hmm.
So our challenge to you, dear listeners, is to embrace your inner holiday entrepreneur. Don't be afraid to think outside the gift box. Maybe you have a hidden talent for creating personalized holiday cards or crafting festive decorations, or perhaps you're a master of gift wrapping, a baking whiz, or a tech guru who can help people navigate the digital world of holiday shopping.
It's all about identifying those untapped skills and finding a way to connect them to those holiday needs. The key is to be resourceful, creative, and most importantly, to have fun with it. After all, the holidays are a time for joy and celebration.
Exactly. So this holiday season, let's shift our perspective. Instead of viewing the holidays as a time of stress and financial strain, let's see them as an opportunity for creativity, connection, and maybe even a little extra cash. Who knows? You might just discover your new holiday passion and turn it into a thriving side hustle.
And even if you don't end up launching a full-fledged business, the process of exploring these possibilities can be incredibly rewarding. It's about tapping into that entrepreneurial spirit and embracing the joy of creating and sharing something special during the holiday season.
So there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of festive side hustles. We've explored the inspiring stories of millennials who are turning their holiday passions into profit, and we challenge you to discover your own unique holiday hustle.
Remember, the holidays are a time for making dreams come true. And who knows, maybe this year you'll make your own holiday hustle dreams a reality.
Happy hustling, everyone, and from all of us here at The Deep Dive, wishing you a joyous and prosperous holiday season.